Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have studied that how to solve a pair of linear equations graphically. Now, here is another method of solving a pair of linear equations, that is an algebraic method. So, algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. So, the first one is substitution method. Substitution method. Okay, now let us consider an example. Seven x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. So this is equation 1 and equation 2. Now let's consider the equation 2. Consider the equation 2. X plus 2y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 minus 2y. So let's give this is equation number 3. Now what we do that we will put the value of x in equation 1. On putting the value of x in equation 1. So this is 7 and in the place of x we will write 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. So it comes to be 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Minus 14 and minus 15 is minus 29y and this is equal to minus 19. So y is equal to 19 upon 29. Okay. Now from equation 3, x is equal to 3 minus 2y and at the place of y we will write 19 upon 29. So this is equal to 3 minus 38 upon 29. So this is equal to 9 3 27, carry 2 3 2 6, 87 minus 38 upon 29. So this is equal to 49 upon 29. Okay, so x is equal to 49 upon 29 and y is equal to 19 upon 29. I think that this method is clear to you. Now let's take another example. Now let's consider another example. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. So give this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So from equation number 1, root 3x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x is equal to root 2x. This is root 2x. Okay. So x is equal to minus root 3y upon root 2. Give this is equation number 3. Now on putting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 2. So root 3, and at the place of x we will write minus root 3y upon root 2 minus root 8y is equal to 0. So this comes to be minus 3 by root 2 y minus root 8y is equal to 0. Taking y common, minus 3 by root 2 minus root 8 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0. Now on putting the value of y on putting the value of y in equation 3rd, we get x is equal to 0. Hence the solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. I think this is clear to you. Now consider another example. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus c. So how to solve? Solution. First of all, write down both the equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Give this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now consider equation 1. Equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. Give this is equation number 3. I can write this equation in the form of x also, but since it is 2x and we have to put the value here, so I have written it as 2x only. Okay. Now put the value of put the value of 2x in equation 2. So at the place of 2x we will write 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So this is 11 minus 7y is equal to minus 24. So it is 7y is equal to 35. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Now put the value of y in equation 3. We get 2x is equal to 11 minus 3, and at the place of y we will write 5. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. So 2x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find out the value of m. So put the value of x and y. So put the value of x and y. So y is equal to, since y is equal to mx plus 3, and what is the value of y? Y is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to m, and what is the value of x? X is minus 2. So y is equal to mx plus 3. Put the value of y, this is equal to 5, and the value of x is minus 2, so m into minus 2 plus 3. So this comes to be 2 is equal to minus 2m, and m is equal to minus 1. I think this is clear to you. Okay, students.